Hi guys, this is Levi from Tuya Smart. Today I'm going to show you one of the best home security keys with the best budgets. Here we have all the devices in one demo case, like IP camera, doorbell, alarm, gas smoke detector, door sensor, motion sensor, smart switch with the power by Tuya, so that we can DIY to create different scenarios. Low cost, plug and play, and I found it really reflects well on the rest of my safe and smart home. So let's take a look at how it works. We got a very professional security app named Home Security. You can tell that all the devices are online right now. Home automation. There are different applications, scenarios can be created right here. So let's do it. Firstly, select any one of the devices, such as door sensor. Open it up from the settings and link to the alarm system. Save the linkage. So what if a stranger open or break the window or door? The alarm system will be triggered. So you will get a push notification from the mobile app in real time. So there's different kind of scenarios can be created by yourself. So get your imagination started. Let's come to the Tuya Security SaaS, the web version management software. What is this for? We have user management, device management, alarm record, billing, and channel management. It is an operation tool which allows for excellent organization of users, devices, billing, and sales channels. So let's take a quick look at the web software.